Okay, review observed environmental changes over years. I mean, past 2 centuries in Somalia. Sorry, Somalia has no government past years. So many people do not know about Somalia, but let me introduce you today. Definition. Environmental could be considered as a biological and physical factor with their chemical interaction that infect organism or animate, including human being. Human being is the most intelligent animate on this lithosphere or planet. So they can infect their environment by polluting air and land surface, water, and everywhere. Human has a more waste. Introduction. Okay, I have talked about how this paper can be introduced to its reader and other stakeholders, those who are grasp the fruit in this paper. Method. In this section of the research, I have talked about the method in which I have used to get my information. I say that I have taken analysis of some questionnaire and we have used some samples and others like qualitative and quantitative samples or sample random samples. So we also using a questionnaire to fill and get important data that we need. The result. In this section, I have displayed the result of my investigation, making the feature of questionnaire in order to understand easy and comprehensive manner in the research. Discussion. We have done a focus group discussions with a different participator when we're filling the questionnaire and in order to do analysis about the environmental problems exist in Somalia. Conclusion. In the conclusion, we have concluded my research discussion and analysis about the topic, which I did believe that more people will grasp the fruit of this research we're doing. I mean, in Somalia, like other countries, it has no what you call it, industrial or industrialized. It's not an industrialized country, but environmental problem exists as the Horn of African countries, like the lady who was speaking about Kenya, also Uganda and Sudan, something like that. We were having environmental issues by human factor, by polluting, by deforestation, by doing using other what you call it chemicals like carbon dioxide into the air and many other. This caused what you call it climate change of about 200 years. Once we have interviewed older man called Diria Ahmed. He said last 30 years there was a change, and that change, for example, he said more species disappeared from the earth, like bees, some species of the trees and other animals, and this caused by the environmental changes like heavy floods and sometimes drought, which comes from man-made disaster. That's all.